Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to get updates on my latest videos. Today I am going to talk about some benefits of cannabis. Cannabis can be found in various forms and the health benefits of cannabis are ever growing. Cannabis contains CBD, which is a chemical that impacts the brain, making it function better without giving it a high, along with THC, which has pain relieving properties. Now I am going to talk about 17 health benefits of cannabis. Relief of chronic pain. There are hundreds of chemical compounds in cannabis, many of which are cannabinoids. Cannabinoids have been linked to providing relief of chronic pain due to their chemical makeup. Improves lung capacity. Unlike smoking cigarettes, when smoking cannabis in the form of cannabis, your lungs aren't harmed. In fact, a study found that cannabis actually helps increase the capacity of the lungs rather than cause any harm to it. Help lose weight. If you look around, you will notice that the avid cannabis user is usually not overweight. That is because cannabis is linked to aiding your body in regulating insulin while managing caloric intake efficiently. Regulate and prevent diabetes. With its impact on insulin, it only makes sense that cannabis can help regulate and prevent diabetes. Research conducted by the American Alliance for Medical Cannabis has linked cannabis to stabilize blood sugars, lower blood pressure, and improve blood circulation. Fight cancer. One of the biggest medical benefits of cannabis is its link to fighting cancer. There is a good amount of evidence that shows cannabinoids can help fight cancer or at least certain types of it. Help treat depressions. Depression is fairly widespread without most people even knowing they have it. The endocannabinoids compound in cannabis can help in stabilizing moods, which can ease depression. Shows promise in autism treatment. Cannabis is known to calm users down and control their mood. It can help children with autism that experience frequent violent mood swing control it. Regulate seizures. Research conducted on CBD has shown that it can help control seizures. There are ongoing studies to determine the effect cannabis has on individuals with epilepsy. Mend bones. Cannabidiol has been linked to helping heal broken bones, quickening the process. According to Bone Research Laboratory in Tel Aviv, it also helps strengthen the bone in the process of healing. This makes it tougher for the bone to break in the future. Helps with ADHD, ADD. Individuals with ADHD and ADD have trouble focusing on tasks at hand. They tend to have problems with cognitive performance and concentration. Cannabis has shown promise in promoting focus and helping individuals with ADHD, ADD. It is also considered a safer alternative to Adderall and Ritalin. Treatment for glaucoma. Glaucoma leads to additional pressure on the eyeball, which is painful for individuals with the disorder. Cannabis can help reduce the pressure applied on the eyeball, providing some temporary relief in individuals with glaucoma. Alleviate anxiety. While cannabis is commonly known to cause anxiety, there is a way around that. Taken in monitored doses and in the proper way, cannabis can help alleviate anxiety and calm users down. Deal with pain linked to arthritis. Cannabis is now commonly found as creams and balms, which are used by individuals that have arthritis. Both THC and CBD help sufferers deal with the pain. Helps provide relief to individuals with multiple sclerosis. Multiple sclerosis can be painful, and cannabis is known to provide relief for it. Multiple sclerosis leads to painful muscles contractions, and cannabis can help reduce that pain. Reduces side effect linked to hepatitis C and increase the effectiveness of treatment. The treatment for hepatitis C has numerous side effects that include nausea, fatigue, depression, and muscle aches. This can last for months for some hepatitis C sufferers. Cannabis can help reduce the side effect caused by the treatment while making it more effective at the same time. Treats inflammatory bowel diseases. Individuals with Crohn's diseases or ulcerative colitis can find some relief with the use of cannabis. THC and cannabidiol are known to help enhance immune response while also interact with cells that play a vital role in the functioning of the gut. Cannabis helps block off bacteria and other compounds that cause inflammation in the intestines. Helps with tremors associated with Parkinson's diseases. For those that have Parkinson's diseases, cannabis can help reduce tremors and pain while also helping promote sleep. It has also shown to improve motor skills in patients. You can visit my blog to read more about self-care and beauty tips blog post. Link in the description box, and also visit my Amazon store link in the description box.